The rankings of the richest and most powerful families in the world can change over time due to fluctuations in business fortunes and other factors. However, as of that time, some of the wealthiest and most influential families included: 1. Walton Family. The Walton family is the owner of Walmart, one of the largest retail chains in the world. 1. They are considered one of the wealthiest families globally, with significant stakes in Walmart. 2. Mars Family. The Mars family owns Mars, Incorporated, a global confectionery and pet food company. 2. They are known for brands like Mars, M&M's, Snickers, and Pedigree, among others. 3. Koch Family. The Koch family is known for Koch Industries, one of the largest privately held conglomerates in the world, with interests in various industries such as energy, chemicals, and commodities. 4. Al Saud Family. The Al Saud family is the ruling royal family of Saudi Arabia, one of the wealthiest and most powerful monarchies in the world. 4. They control vast oil reserves, making them immensely influential globally. 5. Ambani Family. The Ambani family is one of India's richest families and is headed by Mukesh Ambani, the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, a conglomerate with interests in petrochemicals, refining, telecommunications, and retail. Please note that the rankings and net worth of families can change over time, and it's essential to check the latest updates from reputable sources like Forbes or Bloomberg to get the most current information. Top of form.